Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Priyanka and I have started this channel to document my Excel learning journey. So, as I learn the new concepts, I will share them with you in a simple and understanding way. So, whether you are a beginner or someone looking to refresh your Excel skill, I hope the video help you. So, now let's dive into the today's session. So today's topic we will be covering is the basic introductions of Excel, like what is Excel, who uses Excel, how Excel is useful in the AI world, why should someone learn Excel, and some of the real life example. So if you like the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now start with our topics to be discussed. So what is this Excel? So Excel is a spreadsheet software program developed by Microsoft which works on different operating systems like Windows, Android, etc. It helps to organize the data, calculate the data, and visualize the data. It consists of rows and columns forming a worksheet. So you are seeing this area. This is called a worksheet where we work here. We will do the Excel things here like calculation, entering the data, etc. So the alphabets A, B, C, D that we are seeing on the top is called the columns and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the left side we are seeing is the rows. If you'll select any of the alphabets here, the entire column is getting selected. And if you'll select any of the number here, the entire rows is getting selected. And the intersection of these columns and the rows is called the cell. Cell is a place where we enter the data. So we can also think Excel as a digital notebook where we can store, manage, and the information efficiently. Now, who is using this Excel? So this Excel is used by almost everyone, from a homemaker to a students, teachers, accountants, analysts. And when we see in the banks, it is widely used for reports, data analysis, customer information tracking, and daily operational work. From a data analyst and a business analyst perspective, Excel is one of the most widely used tools because it helps turn the raw data into meaningful information. For example, data analysts use Excel for data cleaning, data analysis, pivot tables, charts, and dashboards, and various functions and the formulas we use in Excel. So, how Excel is useful in this AI world? So even in the world of AI era, Excel is not outdated. It is still in demand and it's an essential skill. So AI can generate the insights. Excel helps to organize the data, analyze the data, analyzing the results, creating the reports, and supporting the business decisions. In many organizations, Excel is the bridge between raw data and AI driven insights. Why should someone learn this? So, Excel remains in demand skill in banks, finance, and analysis, whether it is for the business analyst, for the data analyst. Learning Excel also improves your productivity and the career opportunity. So, if you'll see like some of the real life examples here, I'll be sharing it. So, for entering the data, we'll first see entering of the data. So, we need to click any of the cells here. By clicking it, the cells become active and we can enter the data here. With the help of the keyboard, we can enter the data like this. So whether this is a text format and this is the numeric format. Anyway, we can enter the data like this. And then suppose there is a long list of expenses and you need to calculate it. So how we will calculate? We can also see the sum, average, and the count of this just by clicking all the cells uh, down below. See here, the average, count, sum is showing in the down part right side. And if we'll talk about the functions used here, before using any formula, we have to mention the equal to sign. Then for summing it, the function used will be sum, double clicking it, selecting the entire cells, close the bracket, control enter. See the sum here. And I have make this cell little colorful because the formula has been used here. If you type the F2 here, we can see the formula. Here, this is a text part, and if you want to count number of students here, so that is used by the function. First, we have to use the equal to sign. The function used will you here will be counta. Counta. Double click it. Select the entire cell here. Close the bracket. Control enter. See the number of students is 5. And this is all about the today's class. So today we have done the basic introduction of the Excel here. And thank you for watching the video. From the next class onwards, we will be learning, see and seeing the multiple concepts and the functions of the Excel step by step. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.